So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create teams on Zoho CRM. So for that, first of all you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now guys, select the first website. Now guys, you have to log into your account right here. Now after that, click on the profile picture icon and now choose access Zoho CRM. Now you have to click on this settings icon. Now choose the motivator option. Now choose access motivator button. And right here you can see the team options. Now you have to choose create team button. And after that you have to fill all of these details right here, which is team name. You can add multiple users and you can also add team logo. And after that you just have to click on this button right here called save, and now your team successfully created on Zoho CRM. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more future videos. And thanks for watching.